Alright, this quick video is going to teach you how to print from model space. Up on the top left, click the print icon. This window will appear. There's a whole bunch of settings we need to create. The first one, your printer name should be AP1204P1 for color. If you want black and white, pick P2. If you want to just make a PDF, you pick PDF. So you select P1. The paper size we're using is letter. There's a whole bunch of other options that we don't have. Just make sure it's still letter. The next thing is plot scale. The default is fit to paper like this. You want to take that off and choose 1:1, since we drew our object to size when we created the object. On the plot offset setting over here, the default setting is deactivated. You want to make sure to activate center of the plot. The next setting is over here called the plot area. There's a whole bunch of different types. The one we're going to use most frequently is window. If the screen doesn't disappear because it's already set to window, click this button here called window, and the dialog box will disappear temporarily, and it will highlight the area that is I drew around the shape. For example, if I drew a shape too small and preview it, it's only going to print what I have in that window, like you see there. So use window and do your best to draw a shape surrounding all of your features, but keep it close to the object, not too far away. To preview what it looks like, click preview, and you can check your color scheme, make sure white is white and black is black and all the other colors are what you expect to see. If it's wrong, you need to fix it, so click on exit. When you get back to this window, don't click OK, or you'll print incorrectly and just waste paper. Instead, click apply to layout, and that saves all your settings on this dialog box. Then hit cancel, make your changes or adjustments wherever you need to. Then you can go back to print, check out your settings again by going to preview first. If you like what you see, you click OK, and the printing is done. Portrait and landscape can be used also if you need it to fit more accurately on the paper. And that's the end of this discussion.